Have you ever wished you could pause the chaos of life and find a moment of peace? What if I told you that in just 5 minutes, you could embark on a journey that transforms every moment into an oasis of calm? Welcome to Mindfulness Made Easy. Let's start this journey together, right here, right now. Welcome to a journey of tranquility and presence. Today, we're unlocking the door to mindfulness, a simple yet profound practice that can transform your daily life. Many believe mindfulness requires special training or endless hours of meditation. But what if I told you that you could start this transformative journey in just 5 minutes? Stay with me as we explore the ease and simplicity of mindfulness, a practice that is accessible to everyone, regardless of their busy schedule or lifestyle. Let's start at the very beginning. What exactly is mindfulness? In its simplest form, mindfulness means being fully present in the moment. It's about observing your thoughts, feelings, and sensations as they are, without judgment. Originating from ancient meditation practices, mindfulness has found its way into our modern lives as a powerful tool for reducing stress, enhancing focus, and increasing overall well-being. It's not about silencing your thoughts or escaping reality, but about developing a deeper awareness of your life as it unfolds in the here and now. And the beauty of it? It doesn't require any special equipment or a serene mountaintop. It can be practiced anywhere, at any time. But let's address the elephant in the room, the myths surrounding mindfulness. You might have heard that mindfulness is only for those who can meditate for hours, that it requires complete silence, or that it's only for people with a certain lifestyle. These are just misconceptions. The reality is far more welcoming. Mindfulness is for everyone, whether you're a busy parent, a student, or someone juggling a hectic work schedule. It's not about carving out large chunks of your day. It's about finding moments of awareness in your daily life. It's not about where you are or how much time you have. It's about your willingness to be present in the now. Now let's dive into some simple techniques to kickstart your mindfulness journey. A great place to begin is with mindful breathing. It's a technique you can do right now, wherever you are. Let's try a 1-minute exercise together. Gently close your eyes if you can, or just lower your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs, and then exhale slowly, feeling a sense of relaxation. Focus on the sensation of your breath, the rise and fall of your chest, the air moving in and out. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Gently bring your focus back to your breath. Congratulations, you've just completed a mindful moment. You can practice this anytime you feel overwhelmed or need a pause in your day. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine is easier than you think. It's about finding those small moments in your day to pause and be present. For instance, when you're drinking your morning coffee, take a moment to really savor the taste, the warmth, the aroma. Or when you're commuting, instead of scrolling through your phone, take a few moments to observe your surroundings or simply focus on your breathing. Remember, mindfulness isn't about adding another task to your to-do list. It's about transforming what you're already doing into an opportunity for mindfulness. Each day offers countless moments to practice, and these small steps can lead to profound changes in how you experience life. Embarking on a mindfulness journey is rewarding, but it's not without its challenges. One common hurdle is the wandering mind. It's natural for your thoughts to drift while practicing mindfulness. The key is not to get frustrated. When you notice your mind wandering, acknowledge it without judgment and gently guide your focus back to the present. This act of returning to the moment is where the real power of mindfulness lies. It's a practice, and like any skill, it gets better with time. Remember, every moment is a new opportunity to be mindful. Be kind to yourself as you learn and grow in your practice. And that brings us to the end of our introduction to mindfulness. We've discovered that mindfulness is not only simple, but can be effortlessly integrated into our daily lives. It's a journey of awareness, presence, and acceptance, available to you at any moment. As you begin this journey, remember, it only takes 5 minutes to start. Your path to a more mindful life is just a few breaths away. Thank you for joining me today. If you have experiences or questions you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content to guide you on your path to mindfulness. Until next time, take care and be present.